Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy fun cleaning vibes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, today we're rescuing this poor floor. Grab the mop, dip, twist and swipe, left, right, little spin. Woo! This mop dance is better than me. Look at that shine coming through. Just a bit more in the corners, and wow, it's glowing like sunshine. All clean, all fresh, and now the whole room feels happy again.